Hi, this is Carol Gaylor for MDF3 week 2. This week we're required to do the additions to the app. The additions to my app was to create a seek bar that is not working. All it does is just show that it will show the progress as it moves up and down the slider. A toggle switch that was supposed to be able to show the ability to search through the array of songs. And I was also supposed to come up with the ability to, on the notification, when you click the notification, to be able to show the big view with a larger display of the albums. I was also to be able to come up with the fragments to be able to show a different layout. But for some reason, like I said, I had to do a rewrite on my app because everything went wrong. And when I did get a chance to get it so that it wasn't crashing, I'm still back to pretty much what I was last week. The only thing that I'm able to get to work this week is I can play, I can stop, I can play, and I can pause. And all of that happens again on one selection. All of the selections will play all the way through. Also, I have the ability that I was able to do this week that I can say was successful, and that was to be able to, if I hit my back button, I can go up into my notifications and I can pull it back up again and it'll play and it'll stop. These are things that I can do with my app this week, but there's a lot of things that I can't. So let me show you what the code looks like. And let me share my code. The most of the work that I did this week with my code was done in the service. In the service, I have all of the information that is going to support the media player. I have everything set up in the onCreate. Although I wasn't supposed to put anything in the onStart command, it wouldn't play if I didn't put something there. My onCompletion is running the code that is looping through the array that I have here, and I created a play music method, a play, a stop, a pause, the undestroy, the unbound, and the onbound. I took off my notification method on this side on the service because it was creating problems, and I realized it worked without the need of having it in my service. In my main activity, the things that I have that's running in the main activity is going to be the basics, and that is I put the information in for the seek bar just so that I could make sure that it is registering and that it is working, so that when I do get an opportunity to sync it with my media player, I have the information. These are the buttons that are referencing the bound service and starting it, stopping it, and pausing. And I have the code that supports the bound service, as well as the information that is supporting the notification. And that is basically how things went for my code this week. And like I said, I have a long ways to go because, trust me, it's not working as it should. And that's how things went for me this week for my app. Thank you. Bye-bye.